Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Indore? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I will be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Indore. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Ellen Career Institute. Ellen Career Institute is the best of the top coaching center for medical entrance in Indore because Ellen has good faculty and classroom. More than 2 lakh students have taken up a course in this institute to excel in their NEET examinations. The institute incorporates more than 3,000 faculty and 10,000 plus team members are working for the well-being of the students who take up a course in this institute. So basically, the institute offers 4 courses for NEET coaching in Indore. The very first is Nurture, which is a 2-year course for class 11 students, and the amount of the fee of this course is 1,28,000 rupees. Next is Enthusiast, which is a 1-year course and it is for class 12 students. The fees of this course is 1,30,000. Then we have Leader, which is a 1-year course for students who have passed class 12 and it is available in both English and Hindi medium. The total amount of this course is rupees 1,34,000. And at last, Achiever is 1-year course for students who were studying in Ellen previously and students who have passed class 12, available in both English and Hindi medium as well. The address of this institute is Agrawal Palace, plot number 2, Nath Mandir Road, South Tukoganj, Indore, Madhya Pradesh 452001. Their contact number is 07314068002. The email ID includes indore@ellen.ac.in. and the course fee is approximately 1,09,000 for all these courses, and this is for 1 year. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Ribosome Institute. Ribosome NEET coaching in Indore is reaching greater heights by offering the best courses that are: number 1, Target course is a 1-year course and the admission time is March to August. The Fresher course is a 2-year course for AIMS and NEET. Then they have the Foundation course, which is a 2-year course for AIMS NEET class 11th and 12th students. Capsule course is a 5-month course for AIMS and NEET examination. The Crash course is a 1-month course for medical entrance exam, and at last, Batch for droppers, which are separate for the course. Now let us look at the features of the institute. The very first is their test series. Then they provide doubt clearing sessions, library facilities, and at last, study materials that are useful in the preparations. Okay, the address of Ribosome Institute is M1 M2 GB Tar Bhavar Kuwa, Indore, Madhya Pradesh 452001. Their contact number is 0982761568. The website of the institute includes www.ribosomeinstitute.com, and the course fee for the normal 1 year in this institute is approximately above rupees 45,000. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Aakash Institute. Aakash Institute is one of the top coaching centers across the country. Now let us talk about the courses offered by the institute. 4-year integrated classroom course for class 9 to 12 students, which incorporates both weekend and weekly classes. Then 3-year integrated classroom course for class 12th and 10th students, which incorporates both weekend and weekly classes. Similarly, 2-year integrated course for class 11 and 12, and at last they have regular course for students which incorporates both weekend and weekday classes. Okay, the address of Aakash Institute is 0101102 Erin Heights, opposite C21 Mall, AB Road, scheme number 54, TU3, Indore, Madhya Pradesh 45201. Their contact number includes 0731394544 and 423477. The website of the institute is www.aakash.ac.in, and their email ID includes medical@aesl.in. Okay. The course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 8,500 in the institute. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Indore. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.